Do you want to learn how to make the rule of thirds or any other customizable guide in Adobe Express? Well, in today's video, I'll be breaking it down how you can make these simple guides in Adobe Express extremely easily. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, first of all, we're going to head to the charts and grid section, and this is going to be a crucial part in making these guides. Now, if you look at grids, there's going to be a bunch of different grids, and we're going to choose the 3 bars, horizontal and vertical. So we're just going to add both of these to our project. And when we add it to our project, we'll want to scale it up so it fits the entire canvas or screen if you want. So yeah, we're just going to just scale it up and then stretch it out to fit the width. And same with the other one. Now, once you have done that, you'll start to see there's like 4 like white squares that just like don't have any of the 2 grids. And yeah, that's going to be where our lines are going to be. Now we're going to head to the Elements tab where you can find a line shape to fill in these holes. So yeah, we're just going to type line and select the one from shape. Do not select the line from the icons as it cannot be scaled properly unlike the shape. After you've added your line to your project, change the color to like red or light blue for maximum contrast. If you feel extra nerdy or professional, you can switch to light blue for the color of the guide because it's the same guide color in Photoshop. Now is the fun part. You can just align your line so it intersects both of the squares horizontally and vertically, and you can achieve this by just dragging the ends and just like fitting them in place. And honestly, you can just eyeball it as you already have somewhat of a guide on where to place your lines. And there you go, the rule of thirds, layout, template, whatever you want to call it, is done in Photoshop without you needing to go online and search for one that isn't customizable to your liking. From this point on, you can just delete the grids, so the only thing remaining is the lines. And yeah, you can just group the lines up, lock them, change the opacity, group them up, or whatever you want to do. Just make it like nice, sit in the background, ready to be used for your design. So yeah. You can also make rule of fourths or seconds, I guess. Like, you can just try everything out because you can use the same concept or theory by using these like grids that are inbuilt into Adobe Express to make these like custom guides. So yeah, I'd love to see you guys experiment with these rule of seconds or even fourths maybe. And yeah, just tell me how you guys go with like making these new designs with these layouts in the comment section below. And that's basically it for today's video. If you guys want to see more design tutorials, reviews, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to not miss a new upload. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!